Welcome back to the channel CAD Comrade, and in today's video we are going to learn about how to manage such big AutoCAD files that you are working on multiple things in AutoCAD. So the agenda of the video is to how to do fill on and fill off in AutoCAD. So it is very simple. You just have to right fill, press enter and select two of the options given, which is on and off. So basically what fill on command will do is that it will turn on all the hatches and all the color filled in the polylines and the closed shapes in the AutoCAD file, and fill off command will basically turn off all the hatches and all the patterns that are filled in the closed shape and the polygon lines in the AutoCAD software. So basically, turning it off helps you work with AutoCAD more faster and more nicely. So once you do fill off, you have to press RE enter, which is actually really important to make the command run. So only after doing RE enter, which means regenerating the model. So only and only after regenerating the model, you will get a clean AutoCAD model to quickly work on it, and it will give you no distractions, and you can solely focus on what you want to make and what you want to actually do. So this is how you do fill off in AutoCAD. Now to turn on the hatches again, what you need to do is you need to write fill again, then select the option of on, and then again RE enter, which is regeneration, and enter, and all your hatches and all your patterns will again be turned on, and it will give you as you kept your model and as you want your actual sheets to be like. Okay, so this was it for the video. If you liked it, then share it with someone who may need it, and thank you.